Hello, friends. Today we are going to create some images using the power of AI. Now, Microsoft Bing has Image Creator using powered by Dall-E, and we can create some images based on what we specify. So it's not perfect, but it's kind of cool, and you can play around and you can really ask for specific things and see what the result is. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to be as descriptive as I possibly can. Here again, it shows you some descriptive words you can use to describe what you want your picture to look like. So I'm going to be as long-winded as I possibly can without being too contradictory. Okay, so I'm going to say create a film noir style picture of a city, but make it kind of bright. Weird, huh? Well, let's see what happens. Make it kind of bright. Make sure to show people walking on the sidewalks and cars driving on the street. Make it wide angled. Now that's a lot. I don't know what's going to turn out like. As you can see over here, I asked for something kind of similar beforehand, but was kind of dark. So this is better. Okay, so let's see. Oh, wow. Okay, so city, it's like a bright green light. That's kind of cool, actually. Oh, I like this. This one's nice. So, that's kind of neat. Okay, the people on the sidewalk, the cars in the street. Cool. All right, so let's try something else. Draw a picture. People having fun playing. People bowling and having fun. Some people are eating food. Others are dancing. Make it photorealistic. Let's see what comes out of this. Oh my goodness, wow. Okay, well, let's see here. Okay, so they're not exactly bowling, but they look like they're set up in a bowling alley. Okay, you can see that, they might have taken some liberties because I did say make it photorealistic. So, like, these people's faces are kind of, like, interesting looking. But let's see. All right. I guess maybe it's hard to capture a bowling alley and, like, the seating arrangement situation. Because I see more of just, like, having fun eating versus bowling. But I get the idea. You know what? I'm going to play around with this. I'm going to take out the eating part, the dancing part, photorealistic, and neon. Let's see. So bowling, having fun, photorealistic, and neon. Oh, woof. Oh, this is kind of cool. Oh, wow. Still not really seeing the bowling part, though. At least not yet. Oh, well, kind of. Even though I don't see bowling lanes. Okay, now I do. Okay, this is cool. That's cool. Okay, I like this one. And this is kind of wild. I think I like this one the best. Okay, let's do another one. Draw a picture of people at the beach on a bright summer day. Make it super bright, but not neon. Did I spell it right? It's neon. And draw in a stippled style. So stipple is like when people get like draw things in a kind of dotted way. So bright but not neon. People at the beach on a summer day. Oh, okay. So maybe my instructions weren't the clearest because this is super. Oh, I did say super bright. I would call this neon, but I guess making it super bright and not neon is kind of contradictory. So let me go back. These images themselves aren't that bad. I'm just going to say, I'm going to take out this part here. The stippling, this one here looks stippled. This one looks kind of stippled too. This one as well. I guess they all kind of look stippled, but this one looks the most stippled. So I'm going to say draw in a stipple style and make it look photojournalistic. I'm not even sure what that means. And I put an S at the end of journalistics. I think it should pick up the fact that that's a bit of a typo and, just take into account the real thing. So this, and I'm not even sure what photojournalistic looks like, quite frankly, but I think this kind of gives a look of like an old-timey newspaper, you know what I mean? This is interesting. All right. Very stipple-y. I'm going to say draw a picture. I'm going to say create a picture. I wonder if that makes a difference. Create a picture of a castle on a beautiful island surrounded by water. People ride their boats up to see it. Make it look surreal and wide-angled. I'm curious. Ooh, I like this. Oh, that's so pretty. So, okay. A beautiful island surrounded by water. People ride their boats up to see it. Make it look surreal and wide-angled. I think it did the job. Oh, nice. Oh, that's so pretty. So one thing, I think I kind of showcased at the beginning that this ain't perfect yet, okay, guys? So let's look at this. I'll take a closer look at this. I'm going to download it and open it up so we can zoom in a bit and see. So look at these people on the boat. Like, what is this, right? You can't really make out their faces. Their faces don't look quite clear. But with time, hopefully this will get better. But looking at it from far away, it's kind of good enough. I think it does look better when we just look at it from far away. So yeah, that one was pretty cool. Let me see some tips here. So like, okay, we can mention the photography style. I'm not very good with photography style. Ooh, impressionism. Let's see impressionism. Make an impressionism style photo of people dancing at a street festival. I'm going to use their example here. Draw it in the 85mm lens style as well. And I'll be honest, I'm not really sure what that means, the 85mm lens style, but they mentioned that, so I'll give it a whirl. You know, for somebody who makes YouTube videos, I'm not very good with camera stuff. So I said impressionism style, so I think that's why all these things are kind of blurry. And to be honest, especially when you're doing things that involve images of people or, humans, I think where the AI is right now, that this impressionism style might be the best option to go with, because as we saw before, the images of other people weren't that good. Now my computer's going slow, so we can see these. Okay. That's kind of neat. The detail, even look at this. The detail on the clothes of the people. Why are you going slow, computer? Look at this. This lady's skirt or her dress or whatever. It looks like it's probably polka dotted, right? That's kind of neat. I like that. Oh, why is this computer going slow? I'm going to take off the impressionism style and I'm going to put realistic. Let's see, realistic. Make a realistic style photo. And I think the 85mm lens has to do with how close up it is. Again, I don't really know about these types of things when it comes to cameras, but we'll see what they show us. Oh, this is kind of cool. Okay, so yeah, it's a close-up. Oh, that's fun. Street festival. I love street festivals. I went to a street festival yesterday here in Toronto. I went in the morning, though, or in the very early afternoon, so there was no, dancing in the street at that point, but I'm sure there was later on. Okay, let's see some more. Oh, that guy's having fun. I like it. Okay, yeah. Oh, I like this one too. That's neat. I like how this guy's in focus and the rest are kind of blurry. That's kind of cool. All right, so that is it for now. So again, this is creating some images using AI. Tell me what you think of it. Have you used it? Again, if you go to bing.com/create and you sign in with your Outlook account, you can go in and try these things. I'm not even sure if I have unlimited, I have no idea what this 115 means. I don't know if that means I have 115 images I can create or what. I need to learn more about this because I've only heard of it a couple of days ago. But anyway, I just wanted to show you guys that. I hope you liked this video. Make sure you subscribe to Yay Fun Times, and we'll be back here with all sorts of different things to show you guys, okay? Take care. Bye.